Hi, Brad Bigelow with Alaska Demolition, the project manager for the Tanana River Bridge Demolition Project. This here's the U.S. side. It's called Pier Number 2. It's the short water side. The pier itself is about 42 foot of holes drilled in it. They're loading with explosives as we speak. Then the deck cord will be run to Pier Number 3, which is called the Canadian side. That pier has 53 foot holes to get down below grade, down below water surface, and then the temporary shoring towers down there are supporting that end of the bridge, because that end of the bridge has been cut free for a historical monument that will be on the Canadian side of the former Tanana River Bridge. We're in the process of getting these final 2 holes filled in Pier Number 2 to detonate this bridge, drop it down on the ice. We had some ice from water buildup, which then of course froze when it's 34, 40 below at night. So we had a steam crew out here steaming and drying the holes for the guys to load the dynamite and the Anflow powder in. We've removed all the bridge decking, the asphalt, hardscape, and the timbers. It'll be the first bridge of its nature done like the methodology we're using in the state of Alaska and North America as well. Alaska Demolition is the leader in this technology. This is our plan we put together with a couple engineering firms, and we're real confident that everything's going to go just great. And number one goal is everybody's safe. We've got a 100% safety record on this job, and we plan to keep that going through this blast.
Are you getting close? Out here, get the loaders out here and clean the ice up, and then the 450s out here to get rid of all this metal and get it out of here, get it out of the state to the salvage yard, and we'll be going home.